Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So today I'm going to be cooking up a super easy and quick side dish using a zucchini. So what I'm going to do with this zucchini is lightly bread it and fry it until it is nice and crispy. And this seriously brings back so many memories of summers from my childhood. I feel like we had fried zucchini and squash. You can use squash also a lot, and I love it. And you really cannot mess this up. Like I said, this is super, super easy. It's also a great way to get your kids to eat vegetables because they love it. It's nice and crispy, crunchy, delicious, fried zucchini or squash. Either works great. So now I'm going to go over the ingredients that you will need to make your fried zucchini. So what I have here is one medium-sized zucchini, a half of a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, and a half of a cup of plain cornmeal. Then I have some seasoning salt, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some of the seasoning salt to the flour and also to the cornmeal. And I'm just going to take a fork and just stir that seasoned salt in. Then I'm going to beat my eggs. And as you can see, I have a little station set up. I'm also using about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, and I'm going to pour this into a cast iron skillet. And I'm going to go ahead and turn on the heat and let the skillet start to get hot while I'm cutting and battering my zucchini. However, if you're looking for a healthier option, you can batter your zucchini, place it onto a sheet tray, and bake it in an oven about 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's crispy. So I'm going to cut off the ends of the zucchini. And then I'm just going to make thin slices. So I'm just lightly dusting the zucchini in the flour, dropping it in the egg, and then the cornmeal. I'm just going to keep doing these until they're all coated. I'm just going to drop these zucchini right into that hot skillet. Oh yeah, look at these. Golden brown, crispy. Oh, yum. So I'm removing them and placing them on a plate lined with a paper towel. Starting my second batch. And I am going to take just a little bit of the seasoned salt and just kind of sprinkle over the tops. Yum! I'm excited. I don't know if I can wait. Oh my. These are so good. Sprinkle with a little salt. Oh yeah. Okay, you could totally eat these just like this, and they are delicious. And that's how I always ate them growing up. But I'm going to make a dipping sauce because that's what I do. And I'm a dipper. I like to dip. And this is super easy. Let me show you. I have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I have 1 tablespoon of ketchup and 1 tablespoon of a sweet pickle relish. and stir that together, and that is it. Basically, you're making a Thousand Island dressing here. So that's all there is to it. Super easy, super quick, and super delicious. I think I could make a meal out of just fried zucchini. Some recipes use breadcrumbs, and I have done that, but there's just something about that cornmeal that I love. It's just crispy, crunchy, delicious. Okay guys, well I hope that you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.